In today's fast-paced digital world, social media has become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their audience and drive conversions. However, with millions of posts being shared every day, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd and create engaging content that converts. If you find yourself struggling in this aspect, fear not. In this article, we will share 10 expert tips that will help you craft compelling social media content that captures attention and drives results. Know your audience. The first step in creating engaging social media content is understanding your target audience. Conduct thorough research to identify their interests, pain points, and preferences. This knowledge will allow you to tailor your content specifically to their needs. Tell a story. People love stories. They engage emotions and create connections. Incorporate storytelling into your social media strategy by sharing personal anecdotes or customer success stories related to your product or service. This approach humanizes your brand and resonates with your audience on a deeper level. Use eye-catching visuals. Visuals play a crucial role in capturing attention on social media platforms flooded with text-based posts. Utilize high-quality images or videos that are relevant to your message and visually appealing to stop scrollers in their tracks. Create interactive content. Encourage active participation from your audience by creating interactive content such as polls, quizzes, contests, or challenges related to your industry or niche. This not only boosts engagement but also generates valuable user-generated content, UGC. Leverage user-generated content, UGC. UGC is like gold for brands as it showcases real-life experiences of satisfied customers while fostering trust among potential buyers. Share UGC on your social media platforms by reposting customer reviews or featuring user-submitted photos, videos using your products, services. Craft compelling headlines. The headline is the first thing that catches your audience's attention. Craft compelling and click-worthy headlines that pique curiosity, evoke emotion, or promise a solution to a problem. Use power words and numbers to make your headlines more impactful. Optimize for each platform. Different social media platforms have unique formats and user behaviors. Tailor your content for each platform by optimizing image sizes, video lengths, and captions accordingly. This ensures that your content appears seamless on every platform while maximizing engagement. Incorporate influencer marketing. Collaborating with influencers in your industry can significantly boost the reach and credibility of your social media content. Identify relevant influencers who align with your brand values and collaborate on sponsored posts or product reviews to tap into their loyal following. Engage in conversations. Social media is not just about broadcasting. It's also about building relationships with your audience. Respond promptly to comments, messages, or mentions from followers to foster a sense of community around your brand. Analyze data and iterate. Finally, don't forget to analyze the performance of your social media content regularly using analytics tools provided by each platform or third-party applications like Google Analytics or Hootsuite Insights. Learn from the data insights and iterate on what works best for engaging your audience. By implementing these 10 expert tips into crafting engaging social media content, you will be able to transform mundane posts into buzzworthy ones that drive conversions for your business. In conclusion, creating engaging social media content requires understanding the needs of our target audience while utilizing various strategies such as storytelling, eye-catching visuals, interactive elements like polls, contests, challenges, user-generated content, UGC, powerful headlines optimized for different platforms, influencer collaborations, conversational engagements, data analysis and iteration, etc. By putting these tips into action consistently over time, we can create an effective social presence which stands out from competitors' boring updates, turning them into buzzworthy content that converts. So, start implementing these tips today and watch your social media engagement soar.